So today's video, guys, we are going to Rolleteller again, this area, and we make a strawberry bed in here. So this is what we gotta do for today. A little bit of wet, but it's good. There's still moist, so that we can plant the strawberry very soon. So we did not work for 3 days because of it is raining. So we are going to Rolleteller this area and do the bed. So while farm boss doing that Rolleteller, we need to take this fence out here so that we can drive in the big John Deere to make the strawberry bed in here. So this is our video for today. So farm boss done rototilling this patch, so we are ready to make a strawberry bed in here. So we have to bring out the John Deere to have a strawberry bed in here. So I already take down the fence until there, only because we need the space until there, until here. So before we make the strawberry bed there, guys, we have to remove this tank out here. So John Deere is out.
So we are going to move this tank, and I'm going to ride in the John Deere. I love that, guys.
So we have to remove the fork, guys, just like that. So now we did remove that forklift, and now we are going to hook this rain flow. So this is 3-point hitch, so it's kind of tricky, but we need to hook this up for the strawberry bed. So there we hook that in. That's easy this day. Okay. So we already hooked in that rain flow. Keep going. So dealing with machine is not easy, but it's tricky, guys. There is a water inside the big tire of John Deere, so I'm putting air to the John Deere tire. Is this okay, Welby?
Keep going, I'll start going.
Okay.
You see where you're at?
I'm at.
It should be up here. Then it wouldn't be running around.
I don't know, I found it down here, so I will do it in here. It's a new learning curve. So that's how it is. So farm girl putting air to the big tire. The big tire, that's what you call water or what? Saline. Oh, now I can hear that. And it tastes horrible, guys, because it spills to my... It's not stink. I cannot, but it's,
When you get things there, you gotta go wash your hands.
yeah, it's kind of acidic. I think it's enough. I don't want to blow up. So I am under the gender, guys, putting air to the tire. Can you hear that sound of water in this big tire? So I'm under Peekaboo. So this water called Celine. So that's the machine of John Deere. I'm underneath. Okay, that will be enough.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. There's no cover. We need to put it in
Do
or
we have a cover?
no. So we are ready to make the strawberry bed, and Farmbus is backing up here. Okay, okay. Oh, Bob! Ahead a little bit. Great. Great. Okay, good, good. Yes, good. Okay. Okay, okay, wait. Okay, put it down slowly.
I can't hear you.
Put it down. Okay.
But you need it past the drip tape.
I know. Make sure that tie up properly, otherwise you don't have drip tape. Okay. Try a little bit only, then after that you stop for, like, for example, 1 meter. Okay.
And what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna stand in here what I did,
You're
and
standing on the plastic?
yes, plastic and drip tape together.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Get plastic hold on. Yes, enough. Enough. And yes.
So we did already the 5 rows. So we'll come back later and sweep the floor, sweep the bed, and fix the area. So he's flattening the area. So making the strawberry bed alone, guys, is lots of work to do. So we need to get involved in roller tiller, the John Deere with this rain flow, this flattening the area, or the rake, the roller tiller, small roller tiller in the middle, because look at that, there's a ridge in the middle. And later we're gonna rake it, and later we're gonna go and swept the bed so that it's clean. And we had to cut this with scissors, so yeah, so we can just so that the water don't go through. So we had to cut that off and lock it or cover it with another drip tape. This is it. And we had to cover the end of the strawberry. So strawberry bed, in making strawberry bed, is not that easy. Lots of work to do. So is do you think that it's just very ABC, easy as ABC? No, it's lots of work to do. So lots of machines, or a few machines, that get involved. So there you go, guys. We're done making the strawberry bed. This is 100 feet times 6 rows. And there's another one, maybe only 90 feet times 2. So in total, we have 8 rows that we make. So we have over 2,000 seedlings, so strawberry seedlings to planted here. We will see how far it goes. So that's what we did. And Farm Boss leveling up here. He straight up the dirt, because when you make the bed, of course, you need to stack the soil in here. So he's done rototilling the middle, you see, and I'm done sweeping and cutting off this end. And he put away the tractor and the rake, or the leveling machine, or whatever, that Land Pride. And this one need to put away too. We need to unhook this rain flow, mini layer rain flow. So all we have to do right now is to put back the fence in here, so that the deer cannot go inside, because we still have growing strawberries there and it's still green, so they attract them to eat. So we're gonna put this one. So I'm gonna work until 9 o'clock later. So thank you for watching. See you next video again. Thank you. Bye bye. Please consider to subscribe Farm Girl Canada YouTube channel, and like and share this video. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, guys. Bye bye.